Always take it. Always take it. My life has changed completely.
What is going on, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya. Be sure to check out my Instagram profile right here. It is Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification button so you know when I upload a video. And if you enjoy this video, by the end of it, go ahead and hit me up with a thumbs up. All right, let's get into the video. Now, I'm sure, like me, you've gone on and you've seen the different fashion blogs and you've heard about this collaboration already between KAWS, Sesame Street, and UNIQLO. And I'm sure, like me, you have an affinity for Sesame Street. Your parents sat you down in front of the TV and made you watch Sesame Street all day long. It was definitely a resource in which we learned how to count, how we learned our alphabet, how we just socialized with people. So, like me, you will probably cop a lot of these items from this collaboration. Now, the reason why I like this collaboration outside from my affinity of Sesame Street is that UNIQLO gives us an opportunity to purchase these items at really reasonable prices. UNIQLO enables us to be a part of the culture without breaking the bank. I mean, $14.90 is pretty reasonable, especially since KAWS items can cost a lot of money, and that's cool. And if you didn't know already, KAWS has collaborated with UNIQLO on several projects already. I know they've done several Peanuts, which is like from the Snoopy brand. They've done some of those. I think they've actually done some of KAWS's own work on UNIQLO, and it's great to see Sesame Street taking place now. So in looking at the different articles for this specific project, I was only able to find information about short sleeve t-shirts. We know in the past that they've done short sleeve t-shirts, they've done long sleeve crew necks, plushie toys, jackets, hoodies. So it's kind of sad, and I'm still crossing my fingers that they come out with like plushie toys and all the other stuff. Now, typically items can range from $9.90 all the way up to like $29. If we're dealing with short sleeve t-shirts, chances are they're gonna stay at $14.90. This collaboration is set to come out at the end of June, June 28th or June 29th. I'm not too sure. And it is gonna be released online on the website and in store at UNIQLO stores. And like most collaborations with KAWS or like high profile artists, they tend to sell out. I know the last collaboration with Takashi Murakami, that sold out pretty quick, and I think they're like slowly like replenishing stock, but for the most part, it's sold out. So you definitely want to cop on day one. And if you're thinking of reselling these items, I definitely don't think there's going to be a market for you. UNIQLO has a lot of these items stocked up. Even though they do sell out, I don't think that there is like a secondary market for these specific items. I mean, of course, there are going to be those people that didn't cop the first day, but don't expect anything like super astronomical from any of these pieces. All right, so let's actually take a look at these shirts. The first shirt that we are looking at is a pretty cool design. It is incorporating characters from the Sesame Street realm and a character from KAWS's world of the Seeing and Watching project. So you see Bert, Ernie, Elmo, and you see that one character from Seeing and Watching. They all have the X's eyes, which is a signature of KAWS, and it's done up in a white t-shirt. I don't know if this is going to come in any other colors. This is what we have, and this is definitely a cop for sure. Also on these shirts, KAWS makes it a point to incorporate the X's on the sleeves, and these X's are done up in embroidery, so they're definitely quality shirts. Going up to the next one, I think this is the must cop of all items from this collaboration. It is pretty cool. It incorporates all the characters from Sesame Street of Cookie Monster, Bert, Ernie, Oscar the Grouch. I think that's Grover in there too, Big Bird, and it has a half-eaten apple. I'm not too sure where that's going, or maybe that apple correlates to Oscar the Grouch and the trash can. I can see that happening. But this design is cool. It is an all-woven print with all those characters going all around. It is muy bueno. I really do hope that this t-shirt comes in like a black t-shirt. Right now, all we see is a white t-shirt. If it's just a white t-shirt, I'm still gonna cop it regardless. This is a cool t-shirt too, and I want to say that they've printed this t-shirt before, but in black and white. I am not too sure, don't hold me to that. But what it is, it features Oscar the Grouch in his can, and he has the X size, and it also has Slimy the worm adjacent to him, and he actually has the X size too. I had to zoom in because Slimy is pretty small, but this is done up in a gray colorway. That's pretty cool, and I think it's very fitting to Oscar because he's kind of a gloomy guy. So this is definitely a fit, and I think this is a cop too. This set of t-shirts is awesome. They are pocket t-shirts, and I love pocket t-shirts. They are my favorite, but I love pocket t-shirts even more from UNIQLO because usually when they do up pocket t-shirts, they come with embroidery on the pocket. So let's take a look at these t-shirts. You have 4 of them. We have a black one that features Cookie Monster embroidered onto the pocket, and of course he's done up in that blue. We have a navy blue t-shirt, and it has Big Bird, and he's yellow, of course. And I'm kind of sad. I don't think that Big Bird's head is done up as big as Cookie Monster's, but whatever, it's fine. I wasn't gonna buy the navy one anyways. That's not a color that I really rock. These next 2 t-shirts are done up in black and white, and it features Elmo's head with the cross eyes. All of them have the cross eyes. It has Elmo's head on the pocket, embroidered onto the pocket. If anything, I would cop the black one, not the white one, but definitely the Cookie Monster and the black Elmo for sure. Yeah, those are definitely cops. These t-shirts are cool, but I'm not gonna cop them. It features Cookie Monster eating a cookie, and he has the X size thrown up, and it comes in 3 different colors. You have the navy, you have white, and you have a light blue or sky blue. I'm not too sure, but I'm just not gonna pull the trigger on these again. It's a cool design, but I think I want more of KAWS influence onto this t-shirt. It's just not for me. This is a cool t-shirt, but it's not something that I want to pull the trigger on. I'm definitely loving that the count is screen printed onto the t-shirt, and the t-shirt is a black t-shirt, which is very fitting to the count's environment. He lives in a dark and gloomy castle, so this works out well. And in taking a look at it, him too, he has the X eyes, but they're kind of small because his eyes are like closed up a little bit, or he's squinty. It's a cool design. This is a definite no for me. I know we all love Elmo. Elmo's jumping up for joy in this t-shirt, but because Elmo is red and that the t-shirt is red means no for me. I'm not gonna pull the trigger on this one. This too, I kind of want more of a KAWS influence on it, and it just looks like a regular Elmo with X eyes. I'm gonna have to skip this one for sure. Now this is what I'm talking about, having that KAWS influence. I'm loving that Elmo is wrapping around his arm against that character from the Seeing and Watching project from the KAWS universe. It's cool, and also what's cool about this is it's not done up in blue or red. It's not matching the characters. One's done up in black, one's done up in white. I think both of these colorways are definitely cop pieces. This next set of t-shirts is kind of tame to me. It features Elmo popping out of the t-shirt on the left chest. He's popping out, you can see like the tears or the rips in the t-shirt, and what I will give them props for is that they use 2 different colorways of the pink and white, which is contrasting to the colors or the design. But this is just not for me. I think if they used more real estate on this t-shirt, maybe I would cop this, but not for me. Again, this is what I'm talking about, using that KAWS influence. They have the Sesame Street characters of Cookie Monster and Elmo, and you can see Elmo like tippy-toeing over the trash can that Oscar the Grouch would normally be in, but you see the character from Seeing and Watching inside the trash can. Definitely this is a cop. If anything, the white one is more of a cop than that baby blue or sky blue. I'm not too sure what kind of color that is. Let's just go with baby blue. I can't rock baby blue. I don't have anything to rock or match with baby blue, but that white one, this is definitely. And that was the last of the t-shirts. Again, I will update you if they come out with more items, let's say the plushies, let's say the jackets, hoodies, etc. I'm hoping they come out with more stuff, because t-shirts, while they're cool, just don't do it justice. Don't do the collaboration justice. Let's please come out with more stuff. I'm really excited for this project. I'm not too sure if I had mentioned before that I had gone up to Dallas Fort Worth to the Modern Museum and seen some of KAWS's work over there, and it's just an amazing site. If KAWS stops in your city, definitely hit up his exhibit. It's worth it. totally worth it. All right, I think that wraps up this video. What do you think about this collaboration between UNIQLO, Sesame Street, and KAWS? Is it good? Is it bad? What are you trying to catch? What do you want out of this collaboration? Like, what other items? Let me know down in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up if you truly enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a video. All right, guys, that's it. I am Chris Catalunya, and we'll check you next time. Cheers. Mabuhay.
I don't love you anymore. Goodbye.